try here at CDI to give them a really well-rounded education. So we try to get them into the field. We do a lot of one-on-one work. Our class sizes are small but large enough that they're able to get the experience.
There's tons of hands-on training at CDI, all very different. You know, it could be doing some hands-on work at an office, it could be at a hospital, it could be at an event, so it varies a lot.
We are with them from beginning to end, the whole way through. A team of us are working together so that it's not just one person. They can get what they need from me and then go to another instructor and get what they need from that instructor as well.